The results that we are seeing, even with these patients that came to us from the United States, are very promising. And it is possibly that is not usually seen anywhere else in the world.
It was the most intense, well, the first 2 days especially, were the most intense 2 days I've ever spent in any medical facility ever. I mean, it's just one doctor after another. I could not keep track of them all. All of them seemed to be very knowledgeable, very caring, and they just, you know, when one was done, we moved right on to the next one.
But you're going to get poked, prodded, fried, sliced, diced, everything. So that first week, right to left, top to bottom, front to back, they study your body. No one has ever known more about my body than they do now. And then they they get together as a group, all the different disciplines of doctors, and set a course that everybody agrees will help this body.
What I was surprised was that the treatment, the people here, extraordinary. The attention to the patients. We felt at home from the first day. We never felt complicated here. They just had everything very well organized and very well planned. And like I said, from my anesthesiologist, my general doctor here, Dr. Alex, to Dr. Vadim, who was my physical therapist. He also applies the injections daily, which I don't like, but he applies them daily. And I was able to see a cardiologist here, a neurologist here, a immunologist here. So there's a good staff of medical doctors here.
Infusions or injections and physical therapy. And then that was then augmented with other tests and more data gathering, but they got started on day 3, as I recall, with all of the treatments. All the treatments they started with. After gathering more information on me, it was on Friday, I had a sit down with Dr. Nadia, and she went through why I had IBM and what they were going to do about it. And that just floored me, because there's no way to do that in the US. Dr. Alex is an absolute gem. He continued to challenge me during the TMS to do ball exercises to work on my hands at the same time. Dr. Vadim is a really enjoyable character to be around. He's a young man, trained oncologist, I believe, who is functioning as a physical therapist.
I would think it's worth the time to ask them if they could help you, because you're not, even if it's something they can't cure, they can probably help you deal with it. Maybe they can help you get better to some extent, but I'm an evangelist for the place now.
Well, the one thing I'm going to miss from Perm are the people in the clinic. They were fabulous, and I just feel like I'm friends with all of them, and I'm going to really miss the people.
What we appreciated so much was the fact that you're so thorough and you got to the bottom of the problem.
For us, incremental positive change and slowing the process down, perhaps reversing some of it, is worth the investment we have to make. And that's why we've all decided to give it a shot.
I just encourage you, just go and write to us, whichever is convenient for you. There is a chat form on our website. Just start communicating with us. And our team of doctors is welcoming you to fight for health, to uncover the reasons behind your condition, and to help you with everything that we have here.
Well, one thing for sure you need to know is if you go out to dinner with Constantine, make sure you make him order all the appetizers because he is excellent at it, and it's his good job because every time we've gone out, he's ordered the appetizers. And where we're sitting, I'm looking at the bridge, the park. This is beautiful, a beautiful walkway along the river. This is the best place to come if you come to the clinic, is down by the river. It's just wonderful.